Hey, everybody, welcome back and welcome if you are new. I'm so glad that you're here. Have you ever felt unmotivated to get things done or even get things started in your home? Well, that is how I have been feeling lately. There's been a lot going on. And this video takes place during a couple of days. I did a little each day, and that definitely seems to help when you just aren't feeling it. So in this video, I'm taking care of it a day at a time. First, let's get this kitchen cleaned.
Sunrise is 4 a.m. You see, get in the car, we can run away. I hardly even knew you, but I knew that I can't lose you. For 1 or 2, maybe 3 years, I've been feeling nothing at all. But then I saw your face lighting up my space. Got me going like da da, lighting up my space. You do, like a candle in the dark. Ooh, getting warmer every time I'm with you. Sunday and pouring rain, I felt kinda low. Is it all in vain?
So while I'm doing the dishes, I'll talk to you guys and catch you up with things. So this past week has been extremely crazy. First, the head gasket went on my car, so that was almost $6,000 to fix. Then my husband needed work done on his truck, which was about another $1,000. So our vehicles should be good for a while. But man, paying $7,000 to fix your vehicles was painful. Let me tell you. On a happier note, though, school is almost out here in Virginia. My daughter will be going into the 6th grade next year. I cannot believe it. They'll be having their little 5th grade graduation in about 2 weeks. Their last day is on May 20th, which is my mom's birthday. The kids go back to school in early August here in Virginia. Where I grew up in upstate New York, we used to go back after Labor Day in September and would get out towards the end of June, which makes more sense because, fall. It's still hot here in August in Virginia. Well, let's keep cleaning.
Then you hit me up and everything just turned again. For 1 or 2, maybe 3 years, I've been feeling nothing at all. But then I saw your face lighting up my space. Got me going like da da, lighting up my space. You do, like a candle in the dark. Ooh, getting warmer every time I'm with you. Yeah, yeah, yeah. You don't care what other people think of you or say, but you're so cool. You just spoiling with your love. Got no doubt that you are lovely. Oh, you're so lovely. Da, da, lighting up my space. You do, like a candle in the dark. Ooh, getting warmer every time I'm with you. Lighting up my space. You do, like a candle in the dark. Getting warmer every time I'm with you. Da, da, da.
So I turned 42 in June, and I have been having a lot of pain recently. I saw a rheumatologist last week who sent me for like 12 x-rays of all of my joints and my back, and I had a whole bunch of blood drawn. So I go back to the rheumatologist in about 5 weeks to get those results. I know I have arthritis in multiple places. That is what the radiologist put in the reports that already are in like the my chart. And they mentioned sigmoid scoliosis. Has anybody heard of that? I have not. Um, well, that could probably be why I've been having a lot of back pain recently. Do you guys remember in elementary school where the nurse would check your back for any curves? Or am I the only one that remembers that? Well, that is probably um, why my back is killing me. Makes sense. Um, so we're probably thinking about getting a new mattress very, very soon because both my husband and I, our backs kill us if we lay in the bed too long. So we're looking to get a new mattress very, very soon. So are there any other women on here going through perimenopause? I was wondering, what is the worst symptoms that you guys have been having? For me, I have been having a few symptoms that have been really, really bothering me. It really makes you feel old. One being, I'm definitely in more pain than I used to be. And second is smelling cigarette smoke when no one around me is smoking or even smokes. And memory loss, like forgetting words to what I have to say, or like the simplest thing, doing a chore. Like I walk into the kitchen, I'm like, what the heck did I come in here for? So what about you guys? Any weird perimenopause symptoms? So, what is one chore that you guys put off doing in your home? Like, you will do anything else other than that one chore. Mine would probably be the darn dishes. Man, they never end.
Red stain, the clinking of glass, the flickering shade on your face, pouring rain. Oh, I wish we had stayed. Misplaced, got somewhere to be, but don't wanna leave. Just one more drink, don't wanna think about anywhere, anyone else. Maybe I could've loved you in another timeline. Could you have loved me too if our stars aligned? Maybe we were twin flames in a past life. Same souls with different names. In a past life, in a past life. Heartbreak, keeping time with the beat of that old refrain. Sideways, like I knew you before. I can't shake the feeling of losing something that we just found. One in a million, once in a lifetime, only a moment, that's all we got. Maybe I could've loved you in another timeline. Could you have loved me too if our stars aligned? If our stars aligned. Maybe we were twin flames in a past life. Same souls with different names. In a past life, in a past life.
Well, I'm going to end the video here. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I hope I was able to give you some motivation to clean, especially when you're not really feeling it. Just doing one thing at a time definitely helps get things done. Please like and subscribe. I love having you guys here, and I will see you in the next one.
In a dream, yeah, I'll meet you in a dream. I'll meet you in a dream, yeah, I'll meet you in a dream. I'll meet you in a dream, I'll meet you in a dream, I'll meet you in a dream. Maybe I could've loved you in another timeline. Could you have loved me too if our stars aligned?